Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. You join me down at the storage yard, and today I'm going to be taking a look at something that I found a little bit of a problem for a while. I have the EMUK Towing Mirrors, and I think these are fantastic and probably one of the best on the market. They're tailored to fit your make and model of car. Once you fit them and adjust them, they're clamped on and they're good to go. There's no vibration, etc. And if you want to know more, there's a video and I'll leave a link in the description below. But the one thing I did find with them is they come with this rather large, flimsy bag, which doesn't offer much protection. Bear in mind, these are very expensive. So while I was at the show in October, I spoke to a gentleman from Bags4Everything, and I explained my predicament, and he said, well, go home, have a think about it, perhaps provide us with a few sketches and some measurements, and we'll see if we can come up with something. And that is exactly what we're going to be showing you today. The bag's arrived, I'm really pleased with it, so let's have a look at it in more detail. So here is the bag that we came up with. It's made of a very durable material and it has two strong carrying handles as well. It's got a double opening zip, so we can open it like so. And on the inside, it is soft padded lined, which I really insisted on because I wanted it to protect these mirror casings. Now, how you fit them is quite simple. You take one like so, and you take the other, and you fit it in the opposite direction. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's no good because they'll rattle around and they'll scratch the mirrors, or they could break as they bang together. So we came up with this solution, which is a padded insert, and you can fit this insert in because it's Velcro, stick it to the inside of the bag and the floor of the bag like so, and it's going to protect the mirror when it's in transit. And we've done the same for the other side as well. Now, you might be thinking that it's a little bit oversized, and to a degree it is, but there's a reason for that as well. We can also fit the larger EMUK mirrors in here as well. Plus, if you've got an 8-foot wide Caravan, you may have only cut your mirrors poles down by 8 or 6 centimetres. I had to cut mine down by 10. So it's going to give you room if you've got the larger mirror length as well. Now, we didn't just make this bag just for the EMUK mirrors. It will fit other toy mirrors as well, especially the ones with the big deep dish mirrors. And it'll protect them, look after your investment, and it'll last a long time. Well folks, that's our bag from Bags4Everything. Now, I'd just like to say straight away, I don't get a commission from the sale of this bag or any bags that Bags4Everything made. I approached them with the idea of this bag, and they were the only company that would listen to me and take this project on. And I really would like to thank Dylan and the team at Bags4Everything for taking up the challenge. Now, it comes in at just under 50 quid, including P&P, this bag. But if you've got EMUK mirrors, you know how much they are. So this is quite a good investment to protect these expensive toy mirrors that do a good job. So we're quite pleased with the results. Now, there might be one question that you might ask, and that is, why didn't we put a permanent divide in the centre? Well, the answer is quite simple, really. We come up with a removable one so we could make the bag as flexible as possible. So if you don't have EMUK mirrors, but you have the large aero mirrors or something similar, these will fit in here as well, and this will protect them. So basically, this is a universal bag to protect your toy mirrors. And after all, none of them are cheap these days. Now, Bags4Everything have kindly come up with a 10% discount code, which I'm going to leave in the description below. Now, it's not just off this bag, it's off all their products and bags that you might want to be custom made as well. Again, I'd like to thank Bags4Everything for the support. I'd like to thank you for your support in watching this video and all our other videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and also hit that like button if you like the videos that we produce. Our videos go out every Sunday, and we try to produce a video every Sunday as much as possible when we can. Now, with all that said, I'd just like to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.